What is good, my nasty ass wrestlers? If you guys don't know me, my name is Isaac and I post a new video here on my wrestling channel every single day, Monday through Friday. So definitely hit me up if you like my videos, subscribe. But today, as you can tell by the title of my video, I'm talking about why you shouldn't quit. Right? This isn't like just for wrestling, but it pertains to wrestling. This is like really for everything. So, like if you look at it, like people are the best, most adaptable animals like that we know of, right? We literally have the ability to pick up where other people left off and build on what they did, right? Like that's how our brain works, and that's like what makes us happy, and that's like what like makes us like different, right? Because we have the ability to pick up things that other people have already learned and build on it and get better. Now, in order to get better at anything, you have to constantly like bang your head against the wall, and it sucks. Like the act of banging your head against the wall sucks, but our brain works, and it's so adaptive that like the more you bang your head against the wall, the better you're gonna be. So if you feel like it sucks now, right? If you compete in anything and you're losing, it's because you haven't banged your head against the wall enough. It's because like you just haven't like carved that path for you to go through, like in your brain when you do something. Like people can literally be good at anything. It's just like what you're driven to do based on your environment, I guess. I was driven to wrestle and do like fighting sports just because like I was super hyperactive and I was like pissed off at the world, and like that's just what my environment led me to do. Other people are led to like sit on the computer and do that, but like no matter what you do, like the easiest way to become a loser is to not pick a path and stick to it, right? If you can just pick a path and like find someone that you admire or something, like you see someone doing something and you like admire that they have that ability to do it. If you find something that like you see people doing and you like aspire to do that, you're like, oh shit, that's cool as fuck, and like I wish I could do that. That's something you'll probably really enjoy doing. And if you can just pick a path, whatever path it is, you can get to like the top 10% just by banging your head against the wall more than everyone else. And it's about like the quality of your head bangs, like the quality of like how you come at something. You have to come at it with full focus and 100% effort, trying to like get better. You know what I mean? You can't like half-ass something and expect to get better. You have to do it like as much and as hard as you can for as many times as you can in order to see like quick improvements. Because you can improve quickly, you can improve really quickly, right? People just don't like going through the pain of improvement, right? Like, so another way to look at it is like before you get to a certain point, before you get to a certain level, you have to go through like this much pain, right? And you can go through it like pretty quickly and it sucks, or you can go through it gradually and it takes more time. And in the world I live in, time is way more valuable than like comfort. So I would always just be like, and I would sacrifice my body for it. I just like, don't sacrifice your body to get better at something, but like, don't quit. Alright, if you guys like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Check me out. I post new videos every single day, Monday through Friday. Hit me up. Till next time, I'll see you guys. Peace.